If we are talking about YouTube channels making big money right now, football highlight videos are one of the top ways to earn. But here's the main question. How can you get high-quality football clips that you can upload without copyright problems? Hey everyone, welcome back to Ashraf Hustle Lab, where I show you how to get valuable things online completely free. In today's video, I will show you exactly where to download high-quality football clips that you can safely upload to YouTube without getting copyright strikes. Now listen, sites number 4 and 5 in this list are game changers. They are so important that if you skip them, you might miss your best chance to succeed. So don't click away because these two sites can make all the difference. The first site I recommend is hdaf-kura.com. When you visit the site, you will see many football highlight videos, covering both matches happening now and older games already played. All you need to do is go to hdaf-kura.com, choose your highlight clips, edit them, and upload them to your YouTube channel to start earning. If you want to learn how to edit these videos properly to avoid copyright problems, check the link in the description. I have made a complete course that teaches exactly how to upload football highlight videos without getting copyright strikes, and I will personally guide you so you can succeed. hdaf-kura.com gives a direct download option for matches, often with different quality formats like 4K, FHD, or HD. Find the match or clip you want. Look for buttons or links labeled Direct Download. Sometimes they list different quality options, e.g., 4K, HD, FHD. Click the link and let the download start. It usually opens in your browser's download manager. You can also preview the clip before downloading by clicking Watch Online, then wait a few seconds for it to load. Now, the second website is Footballia.eu. This one is beginner-friendly and easy to use. When you open the site, you will see a big selection of games ready to download. For example, you might find PSG versus Tottenham, Crystal Palace versus Liverpool, Community Shield matches, and more, all ready for instant download. Here's the method. Copy the video's URL and paste it into a third-party downloader like savefrom.net. This is a direct link. Paste it into a site like savefrom.net or similar services. Download the video if the service detects the link. New matches are added daily, so you can browse, choose your games, edit them, and upload them to YouTube. You will find competitions like the Champions League, Europa League, La Liga, Bundesliga, Serie A, Super League, and more all in one place. Next is wiseloaded.com, which also has a great library of football games to download, edit, and upload. Everything here is 100% free, no hidden charges. You can click on any match, watch the preview, and then download the full highlight video to your device. You can also use websites like savefrom.net and follow the same method mentioned earlier. There is also a search bar so you can find specific games. Once you get your clips, just edit them and post them to your channel to start making money. The fourth website, which will really impress you, is Storyblocks. This site has a huge collection of sports videos, including football highlights, that you can use creatively to avoid copyright problems. To get football clips, simply type football footage in the search bar. If part of your highlight video might get flagged, you can insert Storyblocks clips into those sections. Just visit the soccer category to see many clips, click the download arrow, and save the video to your phone or computer. You can then mix these clips with your football highlights in your editor and upload them safely to YouTube. Finally, the fifth site is Footballia.eu, a powerful resource for football highlights. It has a special category for highlights and also sections for transfer news, Premier League, La Liga, Serie A, and more. Most people record their screen to get matches, but that takes too long and lowers the quality. What many don't know is that Footballia has a hidden way to download matches in full original quality. Here's how. 1. Right-click on the match you want before pressing play and select Inspect. 2. In the inspection panel, go to the Network tab. 3. Press play on the video, and you will see MP4 file links in the list. 4. Double-click any of the MP4 links to open the full match in a new tab. 5. When the video is open, click the 3 dots in the player and select Download. Now about copyright, this is where many people make the biggest mistake. They save highlights, join them together, upload them, and then wonder why their videos get removed. So how can rearrange them? This can confuse YouTube's copyright system. Trim clips. Keep wide shots under 5 seconds. For close-ups like celebrations or replays, make them 3 seconds or less because they are more likely to trigger claims. Crop the video. Slightly zoom or crop to hide watermarks and make it look different from the original. Following these steps can help you avoid copyright problems. But remember, YouTube can still stop you from making money for reused content if your video is not truly original. So what does adding value really mean? Good news, you don't have to show your face, record your voice, or add complicated effects. One of the easiest and best ways is to add text. Adding text makes your video more interesting and lets you include extra information, stats, fun facts, background stories, or commentary. This turns your video into original content in YouTube's eyes. Try it and see the difference. And if this video helped you, click like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tips on making money from football content without copyright problems.